Galing Pinas. My God, meron akong ginamos. Sana hindi ito gitamak-tamakan. And guys, meron akong announcement. Hold on for that. Hintayin ninyo guys. Kasi good morning guys. Galing ako sa labas, nagtapon ng basura. So paglabas ko, pagbalik ko, sabi ko, paano ito? Basa na oh. Package. Buti na lang yung ulan, hindi masyadong malakas. Yung kaibigan ko na si Beth, pasensya na kayo kasi sobrang aga talaga. Sabi ni Tammy, this one doesn't belong here. It says Elizabeth. I see, that's my friend, oy. Wow, you forgot Beth? Sabi pa niya. And then, sabi niya, I only know her as Beth. You forget the Piersa? The family name? This is like, seriously. If you're watching Beth, thank you. Thank you. Galing siya Pinas ba? Ito yung kaibigan ko na hindi ko palaging kausap, pero always something. Always magpadala talaga. Galing sa Pinas. Kapag galing siya sa Pinas, mayroon talagang something siya padala. Sige, open natin to, Beth. Let's see kung ano tong mga padala niya. Thank you, Beth, for if you're watching. Salamat. Ay, mask. Okay, hi, Ann. Hope you enjoy this little goodies I have. You, Merry Christmas. Okay. Ito ay nag-ano pala siya, nagtinda. He's selling this thing. Mask. She's selling some. Oh, I like this one, guys. Guys, nagtitinda pala si Beth. She's here in the US. This kind of mask, the Filipino flag. I-open ko yan sa inyo. And this one, the pussy. Thank you, Beth. And also this flat tops. Rikua. Okay, hindi ko pa ito na-try. Oh my God, this is... Thank you so much. Oh my God, look at this, guys. My favorite. Dailies. Tommy said, I know what it is.
I didn't say that. You said that.
I know, but your look, I know what it is. It's dried fish. Thank you, Daily, Sap-Sap, at iba pa. Thank you. And there's more. Mabigat itong isa. Anyway guys, good morning. We'll just throw a lot of garbage kasi po, there's like ton of garbage in our garbage can. Like ton. Oh my God, this is something. Let me see what it is. Oh! Ginamos! Oh my God! Appetizer salted fish. Oh my God! Ding! Oh my! Halag! Galing Pinas. My God, meron akong ginamos. Sana hindi ito gitamak-tamakan. Oh my God, Han. Ginamos. This is one of our delicacy food. Look. Tiny fish, smash it and put salt. And it tastes good with lemon. Oh, and onion. Oh my God, na-miss ko to. Why we cannot find it here? The Zaragoza appetizer salted. No preservatives. Oh, refrigerated when open. Oh, I want you to try this long. This is so good. Wait. Beth, thank you, Beth, if you're watching. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, na-excited ako sa ginamos. Grabe naman itong ginamos na ito. Sobrang excited. Sobrang aga ako na-excited. So ano, magkakain tayo ng ginamos. Sige na, imukbang natin yan. So, imukbang natin itong ginamos. Ha? Look at that food of Roxy, look. She still have some.
No, Roxy did not eat. You did it, Roxy.
Sinsya na kayo, guys, ha? Ganito yung umaga namin. And, guys, she is selling a mask. If you are interested, look, this is the kind of mask that she's... If you're interested, please let me know. Contact me sa message sa face, dito, sa ano. Comment down below if you are interested. She's here in the US na. Galing siya sa Pinas. Ito yung mask, guys. Let me see. This is a Philippine flag, a Philippine thing. Na ano. Look at this, guys. It's nice. Look, it's our thing. This is our flag, han. This is stars. If you're interested lang naman. So, leave the comment if you are. So, ngayon, guys, i-on ko lang itong candle natin kasi magluluto ako ng dried fish. Let me ask Tommy. Love? Can I cook dried fish? I turn this on. And the scent a lot more scent.
The candle ain't gonna help it.
Cook the fish. I know you're okay with it, but early in the morning you might get like aggravated. Turn this thing, guys, because you know.
Just don't worry about the candle. Shut the candle off.
No, seriously.
Seriously.
Hey, after this one, you're gonna eat something. Ayun, maghanap tayo ng dried fish. Hala, my husband hide my dried fish. Hala, yeah, you did.
What?
You transfer it here. My dried fish. Ito yung na ano ko na dried fish, yung ano, yung maliit. Isda na talaga siya, guys. Isda na talaga. Hindi siya yung isda na maliit. Yun talagang lumalaki-laki na siya. Teenager na isda ba? Teenager. So, yun. Ipa-fry natin yan. Kasi I feel like having dried fish. Han, look at your email about your work. Kain tayo, guys, with ano, banana. Sweet, salty, and sweet. Come on, salty and sweet.
You want head this meantime? Claire went out of her way the other day to find a salmon head.
Who told you? Andy?
Yeah.
So, she's looking for a salmon
She
head.
went to one place that they go to in the Bronx.
And
They
then?
had one.
And then?
Yeah, she bought it.
Han, that's really bad now, Han. Hey, listen. So what Andy has to say about it?
I don't care. She likes it. Doesn't smell when she cooks it. He don't care.
So he doesn't eat it?
Oh no, he's not gonna eat it. Are you kidding me? But he said as long as it didn't smell when she cooked it, he don't care.
I'm so thankful that you're so good with this. That I can cook red fish inside the house. Even there's no window open. Is that? People complain a lot, huh? There's a lot of whiners foreigners out there. And this is one of them.
I actually don't care.
Come here, Roxy. Let me try to give you one. Come on. Come on.
Good, let's see how that works.
Come on. She likes stink. She's a Filipina dog. She's eating it. She ate it.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Is she really?
She likes stink food. Red fish is still good, hun.
Everything's a matter of opinion.
Huh?
All a matter of opinion.
I think that rice is bad. Let me put some lipstick, guys, kasi usually hindi na ako mag-lipstick kapag sobrang ginaw kasi mag-crack yung lips ko. So ngayon mag-lipstick tayo. So, my husband is so good looking. Oh my god, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Hi, hi, hi. Say good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing, black sweater with the mask in the pocket?
Allah, where is it? It's in the laundry hanging. Look at it.
Hanging?
It's in there?
Is it washed?
Yeah,
You take a mask out of the pocket?
I did.
Where is it?
It's not over there.
Mask?
Mask? There's no mask in the pocket.
It's in the car.
Okay, hold on. So yun, ang bibilhin ni Tammy kasi nagustuhan niya yung mga gawa-gawa ko na salad. So yun. And yun yung bilhin namin. Mag-grocery. And then bibili na naman ako ng bagong pajama. Kasi mura yung pajama nila doon, guys. Hold on. So, mura yung pajama nila doon. And then, komportable, guys. Yung sinuot ko na siya, yung palagi yung nakikita na pajama. And guys, meron akong announcement. Hold on for that. Hintayin ninyo, guys. Kasi mag-announce po ako. And, so yun. Magpag-giveaway tayo dito sa YouTube. And, do dito din sa Facebook kasi Facebook and YouTube, okay? Magpa-giveaway ako kasi, guys, magpapasalamat naman ako sa inyo dahil, you know, dahil hindi tayo makasweldo. Totoo, hindi kami makasweldo kung wala kayo. Wala yung talagang nanonood sa amin, okay? Yung sweldo namin, no, magpasalamat kami dahil nakasweldo. Alam nyo guys, hindi din madaling maghanap ng content, and then hindi din madaling mag-edit. And yun, so hindi kami makasweldo dito sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook. Kung totoo lang talaga, may sweldo naman ang Facebook, guys. And yun, nang dahil sa inyo at saka sa mga talagang nanonood sa akin and talagang taga-subaybay, mga supporters. So yun, at sa YouTube, sa Facebook, ganun. Hintayin ninyo kung magkaano yung sa YouTube and sa Facebook. At i-Gcash ko ito guys kasi parang madali lang siya din. So Gcash natin. And hopefully, yung talagang matulungan natin is yung nangangailangan talaga ngayon. You know, alam nyo na. So hopefully, yun yung matulungan natin. Hindi man siya malaki kasi alam nyo naman, meron tayong pamilyang binubuhay sa Pinas kasi yung papa ko walang ano. Plus meron tayong mga bayaran dito. So pero i-share ko lang sa inyo kahit konti lang. Mag-share ako sa inyo kahit konti. And yun. So, yun lang yung maano ko kasi, you know, meron din kaming, alam nyo na yun, yung mga nakailangang bayaran, pamilya, lalo na Christmas. So, ibigay ko to sa inyo. Hopefully ma-upload ko to mamaya. And then, i-announce ko, and then magbigay tayo. This is my gloves to use for dumpster. Okay. Oh my God, it's cold. The car is open. The garage open, right?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Oh, it's already working. Okay. So, kasi kanina guys, hindi namin ma-open ang garahian. And, okay, let's go grocery. And I will announce, guys. Please wait, guys, ha. I noticed that car. I don't like it. It's like trying to turn on. Like, did you notice that? Looks like it's going to rain. Did you see the cloud? Look.
It's rain done for today, as far as I can tell.
Okay. Now look what happened, oh. The wind kicked it, or somebody eating it.
Not a wind.
It's so windy, and there is a garbage in our
Yeah. And there always.
Oh, hi. Flying all over the place. It's so windy, guys. I think I pick medium.
You can't think, have you not? No. You just told me there's no size, and now you said medium.
I'm gonna do giveaway, honey. For Christmas, hon.
Good, yeah.
Yeah. So, ibigay ko sa inyo, guys, dalawang 500 po sa YouTube, okay? So, yun. And, the same thing sa Facebook din, dalawang 500. And, hopefully, guys, it's AC, honey. So, pasensya na, guys, ha. Yun lang yung maibigay ko. Kasi nga, you know, plano ko pang magpadala sa pinsan ko din sa Cebu na sa lanta ng bagyo. So yun, tinatanong ko, mahirap kontakin guys. Tinatanong ko ba kung meron bang Western Union or Cebuana sa Cebu, kasi hindi ko pwede pang maipadala kung hindi ko malaman kung may open ba sila. So yun yung inaano ko, kasi bihira siyang mag-reply kasi mawala daw signal. So yun siya. So saka alam nyo na, pamilya, kailangan ko din suportahan doon. So yun lang yung maibigay ko muna guys. 500 sa YouTube, 500 sa Facebook. And simple lang, ano lang, mag-comment lang kayo. Kahit hindi kayo subscribers, okay lang yan, kasi you know, basta naga-support, naga-watch palagi sa video natin. Walang mechanics, walang ganon. Ano lang talaga, mag-comment lang kayo kung taga saan kayo. Yun lang. Pero yun lang guys, dapat may Gcash guys ha, yung mga mapili ko. Sa comment section sa comment section ko kayo kukunin po. 500, and then 500 sa Facebook. So yun lang guys. So kita-kits tayo sa comment section below. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat dyan. Say Merry Christmas, Buhay.
Merry Christmas, guys. It's not Christmas Day yet.
Yeah, but it will be, you know, Christmas over there.
2 days.
Yeah. So, anyways. Yeah. Sinsya na guys, nag-drive ko guys. Kailangan kong bumili. Kailangan namin mag-grocery eh. Mag-grocery. May naka, ano, paslikuran natin. Over here, this is it. Make sure that it's fresh.
Look fresh, right?
Yeah, they're fresh. Okay, so salad guys, paborito ni Mister. Andito kami ngayon sa grocery store na. So, galing kami doon sa isang store. Yan. Grabe yung hangin. Ay, guys. Grabe. Oh my God. Aalis pa naman ako mamaya. Aalis ako mamaya. Grabe. The wind is kicking, Han.
You what?
The wind is kicking.
Yeah.
She's Filipina, you know that.
Oh, I did not know that.
The cashier. The cashier dito sa tindahan, Pinay.
How come you start talking to her? The college.
I'm not like before. I go crazy when I saw Filipina. Hala, what is this? Huh?
I like doing that.
I used to like, hello! Hello, Filipina ka! Ganon. Now, it changed a lot when you have experiences for this thing. Before, I like jump around like, hapak-hapak kunday na ako guys. Basta kitag Pinoy guys. Huy, ino ko. Huy, Pinay ka. Tagasa mo ka. Ganon. And that's the thing. And then, once you get snubbed for how many times, it will change.
Yeah, she don't look like somebody would snub you, so. She seemed very friendly.
I know, but it will change you. Even though you meet people that is so nice.
Yeah, that's the problem. If you let things change you into somebody you don't like, then you become the person you don't like. That's never good.
But I don't snub. I just avoid the one who approach first. Hi guys, ako lang yung nakauwi sa bahay. Kasi si Tami, nandun sa kapitbahay. Yung kapitbahay, sinaulit niya yung ganyan yan si Tami. Para siyang ano ba, parang tawag nun. Siya yung taga-sauli ng mga garbage basurahan. Kasi may mga basurahan, di ba? Nilagay niya yun sa amin. Pumunta siya sa isang bahay, nilagay niya yun sa kanila. Yun, pupunta naman siya sa kabila, ilagay na naman niya. So, yun yung ano ni Tami, trabaho. Yun yung trabaho niya guys, kapag ano, pang-anuhan niya yung mga basurahan, mga kapitbahay. So, anyway, so right now, I'm just going to do the chicken. Like the chicken na. Yung nakuha ko na chicken galing sa tindahan, of course. And i-ano natin siya.
Next door and the other next door.
So why don't you go walk on the uphill? Dude. Andy, you
We got
already...
a piece of paper in the middle of the yard. It was from an oil delivery that we got apparently today.
Bakit pinukpo ko yung chicken? May rason yan. Gusto ko lang manakit. Gusto kong manakit. Yan, nagplati na siya. And then, ano ko lang siya, i-marinate. And grill it. No, the dish is right here.
I was sure she didn't know.
She ate? She did. My baby did. No, baby. My princess eat. Naayos siya mag-princess na. I love you. You know, later on, iiwan ko na naman si Tami. Ginagawa ko lang ito para makakain siya. Para may makain siya. May makain kami actually. Kasi, kakain din ako ng dinner, di ba? So, ito na guys, yung salad. I don't know if you can see. Nilagay ko na dito sa ilalim yung ano, cucumber sa ilalim, look. And then lime, yun lang, lime. Little bit of salt, a lot of pepper. This lime is the best. Yung lime should be like Wish. So, yun. Yung chicken is ababrown lang natin siya, guys. I-preheat natin yung oven for 400 degree. And then, yun. And then, ibutang sa oven. Yun lang. Oil and vinegar. Vinegar.
Vinegar is the key.
Yeah, Tommy love the vinegar. Pero lagyan mo siya ng little bit of oil, guys. Oil. You have to keep looking at it. Because, you know, it's really up to you kung how many oil. Oh, many oil. The oil thingy. Look, there's a lot of oil already, love.
Potatoes in here.
Yeah, it's just over there, probably.
Cover look like this.
Oh, that's the one? Oh, my baby. You hide it. Yung ano, look. Ito lang talaga yung nilabas namin, guys, para makabili ng salad and chicken. So, yun lang yung dahilan kasi nagustuhan talaga niya. So, approve ni Mister yung gawa natin na healthy na sobrang easy, guys. Sobrang madali. So, ngayon, malapit akong matapos. Yung salad tapos na. And then, happy na siya. So, yun. Sobrang saya kasi nagustuhan niya yung ganitong luto. So, there's the chicken, guys. Nandun na siya sa oven. So, yun. Niluluto lang siya ng oven. Kuha lang tayo dito ng ano para hindi tayo mapasok. Kasi palagi na lang ako napapasok. So, ala, shock. I-cut natin siya, guys, ng maliliit na piraso. So, guys, ilagay ko na yung chicken. So, ilagay ko yung chicken dito para ma-season siya sa kung ano yung nilagay ko dyan. There's more chicken here for the next salad. Ganyan niya kagusto yung salad, guys. Ito na lang yung natira. Look. Diba? A lot of people say this. She's really fat. She is fat. That's it. Nah, that's it. Nah, that's it. Nah, that's it. Nah, Dada have to sit down. Nah. Huh? Okay. Han, you have to take that out, or else you will ruin it, and you don't have nothing left.
Merry Christmas to you.